No, look. Look Tita's head. Okay, give me Tita. Give me. Give me. You don't want to give her back to me? Give me. Okay, kiss Tita. Kiss Tita. Good boy. Say hi, Tita. Yay. Yay. Watch out. Chop baby's head. See, you gotta hold baby. Hold her. Hold her. Use your two hands. Yay. Yeah. No. Where baby's nose? Where baby's nose? Where? Which one is her nose? No, that's her mouth. Where's her nose? Yeah, that's her nose. Don't touch baby's eye. Okay, that's enough. Give me, baby. Give me. No! Stop.
That's where she bleeding from, boy. Don't do that.
Be nice to Tita. No.
Don't squeeze her head.
Okay, kiss Tita. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.